Friends, thank you for watching my channel. I just want to remind you, if you need wallpaper, go to www.wallpaperboulevard.com. Tell them Spencer sent you. In fact, if you use my hashtag, Spencer Colgan is wallpaper, they'll be sure to give you a 10% off at your checkout. No matter how much you order, they have a wide selection of wallpaper. Check it out. Tell them I said hello. Hey, this is Spencer Colgan and welcome back to my wallpaper and painting channel on YouTube. I'm hanging a York drop match pattern, and I want to keep the video brief, and it's part of what I might begin, if I get enough errors, is a series on Don't Let This Happen to You. Let me show you. Hey friends, a quick reminder before we get into the video, please make a comment. Please just make a brief comment if this video helped you or didn't help you, and please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever the case may be. But please don't leave the video without at least making a comment and clicking on like. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. What do you think so far? Seam, 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 I'm 4.5 feet away from the wall. Seam. Let me stand back. I just wet it, but it was installed 12 hours ago. Seam. Seam. So what happened here? This hasn't happened on any of the other seams. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seams. What happened here? Now, if you're a wallpaper hanger, even a do-it-yourselfer, you're hanging wallpaper, you're a wallpaper hanger, and you have to do excellence. Because if you're spending $100 a roll on this wallpaper, you have to do an excellent job. So you're a paper hanger. I share with you my error so that it doesn't happen to you. Nice guy, right? What do you think happened here? What's different about this than any other seam? Think. Think, please. What's different about it? As you're thinking about it, I'm going to explain. This sheet is 27 inches. So is this one. So is this one. Okay. Have you figured it out yet? When we broke the sheet in its 27-inch width, we came up with a 9-inch piece that had to go onto an adjacent wall, right? So we have about 9 inches of wall covering here. How many officers does it take to take down a crazy man? About 3, if you don't want any of the officers getting hurt. About 3 officers to hold them down. How much wallpaper inches does it take to keep the wallpaper down as the paste underneath it evaporates? Remember the analogy with the crazy man. We have 27 inches keeping this sheet down. Therefore, 27 inches exerting its pressure and force against the wall to keep the seam in place. 27 inches of width of wallpaper exerting its suction against the wall as the paste liquid evaporates. And that's why, like 3 men taking down a bad guy, the bad guy can't move. You need more guys. But when you get to less guys holding down the bad guy, the guy moves. We got 9 inches of wallpaper here, exerting itself on this seam. There weren't enough inches in the wallpaper to hold down the bad guy. But there were enough here, and here, and here, and here. When you get to an inside corner or an outside corner, especially an outside corner, and you're cutting your wallpaper down because of the corner, you're making a seam, realize that you're vulnerable here. It is not the same physical laws exerting itself on this sheet as the laws that apply to the subsequent sheets after and before. And because we don't have a wide span of paper pasted to this wall, making it strong and immovable, we only have 9 inches. And 9 inches likes to move, because when this piece wants to move a little bit, it can't, because it has all of this strength holding it in place. But when this wants to move, this isn't strong enough to hold it into place. And isn't it interesting that the space does not manifest throughout the entirety of the vertical line? It's only there. And why is that? Because we have a corner that's not straight. And as this wallpaper sucked to the wall, I would venture to say that the center of this corner goes in, exerting pressure on its horizontal counterpart, which is here. It goes in here, and here's its counterpart right here, 9 inches away. But it would not be the same effect if my seam ended here or here, because it would have been harder for the laws of physics to exert itself on a sheet that had more force resisting the movement. That's why this happened. Don't let it happen to you. Do you like the video? Don't go without making a comment. Please don't go. I put a lot of work into this so that you can know that this shouldn't happen to you. But if you don't make a comment or give it a thumbs up, YouTube won't promote the video, and I will be wasting my time to help my friends out on YouTube. Please make a comment, please like. Thanks for watching.